Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce healthy pasta. Start by swapping heavy cream for low-fat milk and a spoonful of Greek yogurt to keep creaminess with less fat. Use whole wheat pasta and load up on steamed broccoli, spinach, or mushrooms for fiber and vitamins. Season with garlic, lemon, and a light sprinkle of Parmesan to boost flavor without excess salt, then toss and serve warm. Begin by prepping ingredients so cooking stays calm and efficient. Have milk, yogurt, flour, and vegetables ready. Whisk low-fat milk and a little whole wheat flour over medium heat to make a smooth bechamel-style sauce. Fold in Greek yogurt off heat to prevent curdling and stir in lemon zest for brightness. Finish by combining pasta, vegetables, and sauce, tossing gently so everything is flavorful. Swaps make healthy pasta feel indulgent without guilt. Fresh basil, lemon zest, and roasted garlic add depth. Add lean protein like grilled chicken or white beans to balance the meal and make it more filling. Keep portions sensible and pair pasta with a crisp salad or roasted vegetables to stretch servings and up vitamins. Small changes like these keep taste high while reducing calories and boosting nutrition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.